How to add or create a checklist on Evernote. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can add or create a checklist on Evernote. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, you can open up Evernote whether you are using an application or you are using the web browser. Now once here you want to create a new note. Since you want to create a checklist, you can also create an existing note. You can also open an existing note that you want to create a checklist on. For example, this particular note here. Right now, what you can do is proceed to type on it. And now here at the top, you can see this little checkbox here. You can see you want to click on it. And once you click on it here, checklist will be created, as you can see here. Now you can add in your list of tasks. For example, here, I want to do first checklist for as in research topic. And then again, I want to press in here. Now you can also edit this. You can see calendar, set custom date, make recurring, add reminder, and such various other options, right? Then you want to create another checklist, and again click on this icon here, and then here make content on topic. So this way, now here you can proceed to create a checklist. As you can see here, this is how you can create a checklist on Evernote. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.